Hey guys, this is Kris again, Realty One Group MVP. Just wanted to touch base with you. I'm out here with Josh with Xtreme Tile and Carpet Cleaning out here in Timber Creek. If you have any friends, family, co-workers, or anybody inside the Timber Creek neighborhood looking to get their tile and grout cleaned, these are the guys. Josh right here. The best bet, I'm going to put all his contact information below. They're quick, they're efficient. They come in, bring your tile back to life, bring your grouts back to life. Get all those stains out of there, and if you want them sealed, he can seal them. If you just don't like the color of that grout, they also do a grout painting. So there's a lot of options that they have. They do phenomenal work. I've used these guys almost probably 10 years. They're a phenomenal company. They're inside Timber Creek. They're going to be inside here for the week, doing a couple other jobs in here. So if you have any friends, family, or coworkers looking to clean that tile, get that tile back to life, want that grout to look good again, these are your guys. Like I said, I'll put their number below. Go ahead and give your business number.
239-634-2012.
So feel free to give him a call. Like I said, I'll put all his contact information below. I'll put his company name below, and I'll put his telephone number, his direct number to you. So feel free to give them a call. They're quick. They just wrapped up my house. It looks amazing. It looks like it's brand new tile again. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Kris, Realty One Group MVP, your local savings specialist and your information specialist.
And I'm Josh with Xtreme Tile and Carpet Cleaning.
So let us know if there's anything in the world we can do to help.
Thanks.
Have
Kris.
a blessed day.